So, what's up, guys? Back here at the CTR Bros.
I'm Cam.
And I'm Tanner.
Reed's not here right now. He's at the coast. And he'll be back next week for some more daily bangers for us. We are actually going to film a couple videos tomorrow. I know we haven't really done any gardening videos because Tanner's mom has been picking the garden.
Yeah, she's been picking the garden.
And
we've been making pickles.
Yep. And then I'm back from Cooperstown. Had a freaking blast. It was probably like one of the best vacations I've ever been on. But yeah. So without further ado, today on this video, we are going to be cutting into a baseball. Here's bring this bean bag over here. Be cutting into a baseball. Showing the baseball.
So this is the baseball. It's pretty torn up, so we wanted to do a bad ball, a good ball, because that would be bad for the ball.
And it's bad for us, it'd be bad for us. So I'm gonna cut into this baseball without further ado. We're gonna take turns every layer. So he's gonna do the first layer, but I'm cutting off the skin. And then
he's cutting off the skin right now. So
all right, so I'm gonna start cutting into this baseball right now. It's like a plastic ball kind of on the outside. It's not real leather.
So yeah, he's just gonna be cutting into it.
Tim's gonna talk to you all while I'm trying not to cut myself.
So Reed is gonna be back on Monday.
Or no, Sunday, but we're not gonna film Sunday, probably.
No, he's gonna be back on Monday.
He will?
Yeah. So he'll be back on Monday. So yeah, look for a video probably on maybe Monday, but probably a bunch of videos tomorrow and some shorts and all that. Okay, and you're gonna cut yourself. Okay. So yeah, just look for a short or a video.
This baseball. It's not even.
Wait, let me see.
It's fake.
This is the inside of like
the baseball. It's not. I'm gonna try to cut it in half.
That's not fake. It's new sticky stuff. It's sticky.
We didn't get pine tar from this?
Okay. So yeah. Ken's gonna be cutting into the baseball. You're gonna cut it in half. Pretty good strategy. But here, let me see. You want to see it?
Here, no, I'm gonna keep doing it.
No, let me see.
Turn it charted. I'll show you how to do it. Look.
No, I got it.
Just get it started for me and then I'll do it.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. Here, I'm just gonna cut a line.
And then I'm gonna finish. Here, let me take the leather off real quick.
Yeah, take off the leather. So while Ken's doing that, we have not been posting for a little bit, just one short, but it's because I have had basketball camp. He's been in New York, and Reed
has had basketball camp too.
Or he's been doing pack, so like we can only play at like 1 o'clock, and then I probably have to go somewhere. Let me see. So this is pretty much inside of a
fake baseball.
Fake baseball.
So now we have a real baseball right here. We're gonna cut into this one because it's not in really good shape. So yeah.
It's like mud. It's just like mud, guys. If we had like a spoon. Yeah. I'm gonna like just take this off. Dude.
Is it sticky?
Yes. No, like right here.
Guys, we got new sticky stuff.
That is so sticky.
Guys, don't tell any umpires.
But we're just gonna keep this baseball just in case. Oh, just look at that. Put your fingers like right between there. Put your fingers right between there. Like right there.
Oh my goodness, that's sticky.
Yes.
I wish y'all could like feel this right now.
It's like it's
here,
not
like listen.
You probably can't hear it. You might can hear that.
I just touched the knife.
No, let me see it. No.
Let's see if this like cut into this a little bit.
Oh, I want to see what it is. Let me see.
It's like cork.
Let me see it.
It's like cork. It's like the stuff they use like for wine bottles. It's like cork. So this is like what's inside a. Welcome to our new series, guys. It's called What's Inside.
But that's like, if y'all can hear that. Y'all can't hear that. If y'all can hear that, that's very sticky.
I'm trying to cut into this real baseball, guys. It's kind of like difficult because the skin isn't like really like worn down. But
Like, hear that. That is very sticky. If y'all want any sticky stuff, order it. Oh my. But put your fingers right there. That is, guys.
look,
That is literally. Here, wait. Just look at that.
wow, guys, it's crazy.
Like that. Just get that on your 2 fingers.
And then like keep it throughout the game.
Cause like in Little League, you know that, like 10U and all that, they don't check your hands. But in MLB they do, which
We don't have any MLB players watching this, so
yeah, only
maybe Brett.
Phillips.
So
Shout out to Brett Phillips. Me and Ken, we went out to eat. This place in Liberty Hill called Main Street Social. And I was like, we walked in. He walked in right behind us. I was like, I said to him, is that Brett Phillips? And he's like,
who is that?
yeah, he was like, who is that? And I was like, that has to be Brett Phillips. And he's like, no, it's probably just like looked like it. I'm like, that is Brett Phillips. And me and him want to go, or I want to go up there. He wanted to go up there too. But we were too scared because if we were wrong, so my grandma, her sister went up there and asked him. And that was just like the best moment of probably my life. I don't know about his because he's met.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
When I went to New York, I got 2 different signatures by 2 different people.
Like,
Is it sticky?
yes, I want to like keep this. And it's like,
I can't get this off.
let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, guys, show them the ball. Show them.
That's a real baseball.
Look at that, guys. Here, let me see it. I want to do
We
something.
need to get a sharper knife. Can we like a box cutter?
Here, get a spoon. While I'm cutting into this, guys. It's a working process here. Just gotta keep cutting it. We can just get this off, guys. Yeah? One, huh?
Hey guys, we'll be right back. We're gonna try to go find a box cutter. We'll see you here in a second. Peace. Okay, so we're back. I cut into it a little bit more.
Yeah, I
And
got this.
it's
Sticky. What is wrong with these baseballs?
guys, it's like all these here. We got like we got this right here to cut the baseball. It's just like just to do that with it. So Tater's gonna cut that into that, and I'm gonna talk to y'all. Don't cut into it a lot though.
That's good.
Just to get the skin. Here, I'll take the skin off. Because I do the second layer then. Here. So we got the saw. Here, you get the knife.
Yeah, I need the knife. That won't that. Pull up.
So, guys, what? How's y'all's summer been?
Yeah, leave down in the comments.
Leave it down in the comments. We'll have the comments turned on for this video because I know how to turn it back on now. But I'm our editor, mostly. Guys, I found more sticky stuff
Yeah, and the other ball.
on the other ball. Cause look at this. It's like really sticky.
Here, I need this.
I'm gonna try to dig into this a lot. I'm gonna see if I can get some sap out of it. It's like
that is
Did you get it good?
a little bit.
Comment down below
Perfect.
how y'all's summer's been too, because I know I just said that, but I really want to know how y'all's summer's been, because viewers are like our family, right? The mom, right, Tanner?
Huh?
Our viewers are like our family.
Yep. And also, guys, we also have 130. Actually, our goal is 150.
Here, where's your phone?
Should be like.
Is it over under you?
Look it up. No, look it up. No, it was under there.
Okay. Okay. I'll look on Tanner's phone to see.
10513.
Oh, huh? Oh no. Huh?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at that picture of Tanner. Guys, look at that.
That's me with all my rings.
Tanner.
Not trying to flex, but I'm just saying.
I know, Tanner's just rich. Like that.
Yeah. No, they're just all my baseball rings. I just don't know.
Alright guys,
Shit, oh. Look at that. Why are you looking on that?
I don't know.
Go to YouTube.
Alright. Let's see how many subscribers we have, guys. How much do you think we have, Tanner?
138 or 136?
130.
A 7 maybe? I don't know.
Guys, we have 138 subscribers. Let me see if I can see that. Alright, there we have 138 subscribers. Guys, we're climbing up there for subscribers for 200. We're trying. Our goal is 200, right, Tanner? Or is it 150 first?
150 first.
And then let's check out Harrison Scarner's channel, because
That's our friend. We're not like a competition.
I kind of like competition.
Yeah.
He's at 187.
Yeah. Well, he did start before us, too, though. But we're only 50 subscribers behind him. So, that's pretty good. You know, he started like 5 months before us. Guys.
We got it up. So that's one of his short says.
Yeah. So, I just took off the cover of a baseball.
And guys,
That's a cover of the baseball, by the way, if y'all didn't know.
and if y'all, and I also want to tell YouTube this too.
Best.
Okay, YouTube and fans, we don't go out for the views. We don't go out for subscribers. We go out for entertaining people
And entertaining content.
because
Here, you want the knife?
you know, our goal is to definitely get a lot of subscribers, but
We only have subscribers because
they
people
don't-
want to subscribe, not we make them to subscribe.
Yeah.
Because like other YouTubers, at the end of the video, they're like, "Oh, make sure to subscribe and all that and all that."
Like most of the YouTubers that y'all watch, except for like Dude Perfect and all that, they're usually like, "Hey guys, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you know like when I post."
Yeah.
But you know.
See, like, we did that last year. We're just doing that to, like, just say.
Okay, so that's the second layer, guys.
I'll do the third layer.
Okay.
So,
That's the second
we're not
layer.
just telling
Here,
you
actually, can I
to.
do the third layer?
No.
Please. There's another layer under this.
No, please, please. I'll let you do the rest of the layers.
Okay, here, let me get it started for you because you have to find like the main line because some of this is like cut. That's not it. Nope. Right there. Here.
Oh.
Oh, that's
No, I can find it.
So guys, this is what the second layer looks like. We're not
It's
all the way done. But yeah. So back to what I was saying.
Here, I might need a knife to cut into it.
No, you're good. So our viewers are like our family. And we don't
Not in like a weird way though.
yeah. If
I think I found. Oh no.
and it's not because we don't want the subscribers and all that. We want them, right?
Yeah.
But we want y'all to enjoy it. If y'all don't enjoy it, then what's the point of us making them?
Yeah.
So we try to make our channel as good as we can, as a 7th grader, a 5th grader,
Yeah.
and a 7th grader. I mean 8th grader.
Yeah.
So we try to work as hard as we can. And once me, Reed, get to high school, I don't know if we'll do as much filming.
Yeah.
Maybe.
But
It'll just be Tanner, but we'll still come by and like stay.
they might still live here though. Maybe.
Yeah.
Because I've been living here longer than both of them.
Look, you were here 2 years before. No, a year before me.
No, two.
2. So yeah, and we love our viewers. They're like I said, they're just like our family. And family to us is
We
best
like.
thing. Here, my turn.
No, I had to do the third layer. This is the third layer.
Here, I'll hold it.
Oh.
I'll hold the ball.
Well, I think that's the big screen, guys.
We found that
Here, show them the ball.
this is what the ball looks like right now.
Oh,
Okay.
they're just ended. Here, use a knife. Because, like,
Here
there's,
we go.
like,
Here we go. This YouTube video is probably gonna be pretty long, but this is kind of like a chill and talk kind of video. So yeah. But right now, me, Reed have pack. I skipped today so I could actually just hang out with the ball went under the thing.
you did?
Yeah. But I skipped pack today to hang out with this guy.
Oh, God, where did that go?
I skipped pack today to hang out with him. And he also got a tooth pulled today.
So, it was okay, guys. Oh, God, it's, like, way over there.
Okay, I'll try to grab it. I have long.
I got it.
You got it. Here. My turn. If you know who to call Jaden. I kind of like good in these glasses though.
They're mine. I got them in Alabama. Sweetheart.
Guys, because I'm singing more sticky stuff.
What is with these baseballs?
If you know who to call.
Okay, that's here. That's gonna be good. Which one?
No more.
I'm just cutting the string so I can at least be like a string.
Alright, here you go.
How to pull a string? Oh.
So, here, just keep talking to him, Tanner.
Yeah. So, where'd you put my glasses?
Oh, they're up there.
There. So while Ken is doing that, this is our progress right now. That, and then we also have this. So I'm just gonna stuff that in there. Overall,
It's definitely gotten smaller.
yes, very small. And at the end, we're gonna be showing y'all the rubber band. I mean, not the rubber band. The the bouncy ball. Because if you don't know, there's a bouncy ball.
At the end. Oh.
Yeah, at the end. Spoiler alert.
But yeah, we're definitely gonna start posting a lot more now. Since it's summer.
Here, I'll do the next layer.
Here. I don't know what the next layer will be.
I'll do it. It's like mud. Here, I'll do it. I'll do this layer. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna help you cut it.
No, I know how to do it. Just try to keep on rolling it. And then pack it in that little thing right there. Oh, it's just like a big mud.
Is it like a bouncy ball? Is this one a bouncy ball? They usually are a bouncy ball.
Here, there. Guys, I don't know what that is.
Here, let's cut into it. Let's go to the workbench out here.
Yeah, here, get the phone.
We're grabbing the tripod, guys. I'm gonna flip you all around so we can see. All right, so now we're outside. We are going to make our little rest right here. We're gonna put the ball in the little towel.
No, I was gonna cut the towels.
We're on our little rest right here. Tanner's gonna cut the ball here. Got a new tripod, guys. It's pretty nice. Tanner got it from
David Buster's.
David Bunsters. That's how Tanner says it. Just don't stop. Go.
Why you not?
My bad, guys.
It's like hard to like.
Here, I'm gonna set up the tripod so y'all can see.
Cool guys, we are getting in there.
Guys, I actually accidentally ended the video. Tanner's still cutting into this baseball.
Look at that.
We're getting into it. We're gonna switch off here in a second. Alright, here.
No.
Next time you stop, okay?
Oh, my thumb hurts, dude.
Here.
Okay.
So we actually got pretty deep into this baseball.
Maybe just like try, like take it apart. So now it's Kevin's turn.
Comment below how many people that are subscribed to us are lefties, because I am.
Here, just do that. Maybe it'll.
I can't hold it. Can you hold it on that side? Because I can't. I'm gonna hold it down there. Because I can't. This is too small for me. On this side. Like hold the other side. Okay. We got pretty deep into it. I think now, if we get like a hatchet or something, like wedge it in there. Where's our hatchet thing? Get like a wedge.
Yeah, that. Here, let me do it first.
Get a hammer. Get a hammer.
No. Oh yeah. One sec. Here. No, let me do that part. Okay.
You hammered and here. Where's the smaller one?
That's good. That's good.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so we got our things. We got a mallet.
We got a wedge.
Here. No, like take. Yeah. Here, let me see it. Just got my finger. Let me see it. Oh.
Did you hear that, guys?
Yeah, here, let me see it.
Sounds like victory. Here.
No.
Let me get this one. Because this one's like straight.
Oh.
Now. Okay. Here, you hold it. I'll hammer. Here you go. Hold it. Ready? No, you have to hold the wedge, Tanner. Gotta like make it even.
Here, wait.
Wait, let me
Just-
go get a better wedge. You wanna go to my house? Because I have a lot of
Oh. No.
What if you get a screwdriver?
No.
A flathead screwdriver.
Well, camera issues here, guys.
Camera difficulties. Look, what if we use this flathead? Because look, Jen, a flathead is smaller.
Oh, yes.
So we can actually.
Here, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, guys, so we're back in here.
We're back into our basically headquarters.
Okay. So now, let me see it.
You should probably do this out here so we don't get dirty in here.
It's fine.
Okay, hold on. No, it's my turn. This is my layer. Here, we're gonna do the hammer real quick. So, you hold this and then.
No,
Hold
just let me see it. I know what to do.
Do you hear that?
Okay, guys.
So, I want to know what y'all's favorite sport is. Comment down below.
Comment down below. That was like M&M's in there, guys, is it not? Was that
Crushed up M&M's. That makes me hungry to talk about M&M's.
What do you give this sticky stuff an overall taste test?
You can eat it.
Okay, I'm gonna get some of this. I don't think it's toxic.
Or if it is toxic, it may be pretty toxic.
Okay.
I just think the thing is like a ball of cork.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Here, give me the knife.
There we go. Here, come here.
You're just going to vacuum after this video.
Here, come here. Let me see it. You didn't like all of that.
I don't think there's a cork in this one.
Let me see it.
Whoa! See, this teleported. This is our baseball, guys.
Let me see it. Look at baseball.
Okay. I'm gonna work on this other one too. I started this one before the video.
Here, let me see the knife.
The knife?
Yeah.
Here, hand it back to me. Don't close it before. It's good. It's not good when I open something and you close it. So give it back to me when you're done.
Okay, so with my dad's help, we got it cut open, but we didn't get on film.
Guys, Tanner had to go get the trash cans, so I'm just gonna finish up this video right here. So I'm just finishing up this baseball that I started before the video. And I'll actually show you what a real cork looks like. It actually looks kind of cool, in my opinion. So I'm just going to finish up this ball. It's almost done. It's really like significantly smaller. Like this is like a half of a regular baseball. That's how small it is compared to that. So yeah. But yeah, my summer is awesome. But I want to know how y'all's summer is. And then go check out my other channel. There's not many videos posted on that channel because I don't really, it's only for baseball and stuff. But it's called Kane's Baseball. If you search it up, just search up walk-off home run, walk-off 3-run shot or something like that. I'll actually put it in the YouTube channel bio. Y'all can go check my channel out. and just go get me up to the subscriber count that we have on this channel that we have right now. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, guys, this ball is getting really, really small. My hands are not that big, but this ball is like really, really small in my hand. But yeah, this ball is almost done with the unraveling process. It's almost done. Just gonna start doing this. It's like a good arm workout. Okay, guys, you're almost there to the cork of the ball, or the middle of the ball. We're almost there.
Where are you filming?
Huh?
Here.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh my god.
This one's mine, because I did this one by myself.
What's my baseball?
Okay, guys, we are almost done, and we have finished. This is the bouncy ball. That was inside all of this right here. All that string right there. It was covering this. This is the core of a baseball. So I'll show you the order that it's in. So it goes to core. Here, give me 1 second. Core, that, and then with the string back there. And then it goes to the...
There's no string.
Yeah, there's the white stuff. It's up there to this. Gotta move this over to that. This to that. So this is what the. Here, give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Actually, let's do this. So this is what it looks like. So it goes. This is like a regular baseball right here. It's just the skin. Then it goes to the white outside covering. Then it goes to the string middle. And then this is the tiny little thing that's in the middle of the baseball.
Bouncy ball.
It's basically, here, let's go out to the garage and we will show you some bouncy ball things. Peace. So we're going to end off the video right here. Me hitting this bouncy ball.
Let's give it a bounce test.
It's pretty bouncy. It's like almost like it's smaller than a golf ball.
Yeah.
So this thing's probably gonna soar. I'm gonna try to hit in the wood back there. I never saw that ball, but
It went.
I think that's gonna conclude this video. I'm Cannon.
And I'm Tanner.
We're the CTROs and expect some shorts and
Some videos
tomorrow. See you on the next one. Peace.